What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you out Vampire by Dominic Fike. This one is actually pretty easy to play on the guitar with the capo on the 3rd fret, so don't forget capo on the 3rd fret. Now I'm just going to show you the full song, how to play that, including that last lead part. We have this part with the tabs, and also the main finger picking which goes throughout the whole song, again with the tab. So just want to say that make sure to subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. It will obviously help me a lot, and it will also encourage me to make more videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to stay tuned, because I'm uploading most for this song, and I think I will be working the hardest this month. Never mind, let's proceed further. Capo on the 3rd fret. Have a look at the chords. Our first chord will be a A minor 7, nice and easy, which is mute, open, second, open, first, open. Then I have a F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1, which I'm playing 1 3 3 2 1 1. You can play it like this, however you find easy. But one thing is, I also made a video on how to master the bar chords. So if you are struggling a lot, then you can just watch that. You can just drop me a comment down below, and I'll provide you with the link. We have the E major chord now, which is 0 2 2 1 0 0. Like a F flat, you can call it, but there's no F flat in music, but still you can call it a F flat. So F major, it's an E major, 0 2 2 1 0 0, and that's it for all the chords. Now let's start with the finger picking pattern. We have the capo on 3rd fret. The chord progression will be a A minor, then a F, then a E. Repeat, minor, A minor 7, I'm sorry, then a F, then an E major. Now just have a look at my right hand as well. Have a look at the tab. We start with the A minor chord. We play the A string, D string, G string, B string. And how I'm picking it, you can find either ways to play. You can either pick, you can even pick like this, you can even pick like this, like this. How you find it easy, but personally I like to play like this. I'm playing A with the thumb, D with the index, G, middle finger, and ring finger for the high E, for the B string. And after playing that, I just keep my hand on the string. So it goes for all the chords. Like after you play 4 strings, you're just gonna keep your hand on the string to get the sound of the chord major. So we got so A minor 7. It's so 1 2 3 4. You move on to the F major chord. What you do is you just play the top 4 strings. Like the whole shape which you played right now, A D G B E, sorry, A D G B, it comes up, which means we will play the E string, A string, D string, G string, and we just gonna play that twice, unlike the A minor 7 chord. Again, you see, after I play, just keep my hand on the string to get the sound major. So we got cac, F major, mute, F major, mute, and now we have the E major. But the stuff is we play a E major 7 with the E. Don't need to go so detailed, but see what I'm doing. I have the E major shaped chord over here, but what I do is, firstly I just place my ring finger on, the pinky, which is free right now, on the 2nd fret of the G string. I play the E string, the A string, the D string, the G string. I mute it, and then I play the 1st fret on the E string. Sorry, 1st fret on the G string. Like I just remove the pinky. It's a E major 7 basically, and I remove the pinky to make it a major. So you got. We can even plug the full chord. So E A D G mute, G mute. That's what all about this goes throughout the whole song, and that's the great thing about this. We have just this, like it repeats in a loop throughout the whole song. So you can just play this for the whole song. And the next part for the A minor 7 chord, it's just a little bit different. Have a look at the tab. What we do is we play the A string, then the D string, then the G string, then we play the B string. And when you play the B string, you're just gonna do slide from 1 to 3 and back to 1 on the B string. So you got, and that's gonna be really fast. And after playing that, you're just gonna play with the middle finger. We'll do a pull off from 2nd to open on the G string. So you got and this stuff is very fast. That's not fun. So we got slide back, pull off from second to open. So you got and to repeat the same thing. Have a look at that, you can understand everything, man. And that goes on. So we play the A minor 7, F, E, and next time we play the A minor 7 with a variation with this bar, and that goes on. So firstly, like you play this, after that you play the normal F and E. Next time you play like this. Again, next time you come normal, and next time again abnormal, and that's how it just goes on throughout the whole song. So let's play that part, and it will be crystal clear for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one thing is maybe a bit hard for some of you guys who are not familiar to this. So make sure you just pause the video, have a look, practice a lot, and then just play along with me. So let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy. Ready, try, sorry. Last time. And that's pretty much everything. Now you have the solo, I mean the lead part. So let we have, we got this part, and this goes for the whole song, so you don't need to worry about anything else. So we got this part, this goes for the whole song, and now we have this part. So everything, the tab and all is related to capo on the 3rd fret, so don't need to remove the capo or worry about that. So just have a look at the tab and see what I'm doing. I'm playing 5th fret on the B string, but it's on the tab, it's written 5th fret on the B string, but what you can do is you can just slide from 3rd to 5 on the B string. So instead of playing like this, want to make it sound better, you can just slide. So we play 5th fret, then 3rd fret on the high E string, then 6th fret on the B string, 5th fret on the B string, so 6th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, then back to 5th fret on the G string. So you got, and the next part is pretty same, but what you can do is instead of sliding over here, you can just do one like a quarter bend, like this. But after that, it will not end over here. You're just gonna play the 5th fret and then just move on to the 2nd fret of the G string. So you got, so slide, so make sure that you just play the 2nd fret of the G string. So you go, and then we have this part. So we play 3rd fret to 5th fret, so basically a hammer on, or you can even do a slide and rest there for a second on the high E string, and then you play the 5th fret on the G string, but you play that once, and after that what you do is you play that twice, but this time it's like you play that note and release that, you play that note and release that, which means you're just posing your hand. Pa, pa, like we got. So make sure you do that. Next time we play the exact same thing, but it's on the B string, 3 to 5 hammer up. And we, instead of playing 5th fret, we play the 4th fret on the G string. Repeat the exact same thing, 4th fret, 4th, 5th fret, pa, pa, pa. So we got, and then we have the nice and cool part. We play, so it's basically we play 2nd fret on the G string, and then again we do a pa, pa, like we just release, press, release, like that. So you got 5th fret, 4th fret, then 2nd fret on the G string. Everything is on the G string, yeah. So it's obviously nice and easy. And after that, what we have is we're having palm muting, having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar, get a very nice and soft sound. And with that, you will do. after just you play the second fret on the G string, and then you will start. So you play second fret on the D string, second fret on the G string, second fret on the D string, second fret on the G string, and you make sure that you play it like this. So when you hear the song, it will be more clear. And then you play. So now everything is like a bit short. All are paused. Like you just press the note and then release it. I'm sweating a lot right now. Then you play the G string open twice. But make sure that you get the pa over here when you play the second part. Next time you play the same thing, but it's the open D string and open G string, then the open D string and again the open G string. Then you play third fret on the D string, second fret on the D string. So open D, open D, open D, open G, open D, open G, third fret on the D, second fret on the D. And then again you go back and play. We use third fret on the A string, second fret on the D string, repeat that, third fret on the A string, second fret on the D string, then third fret on the A string, go down and descend to second fret of the A string. So now the part 2, you can see everything is actually palm muted. So make sure you follow palm muting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go, palm muting. Then we have this. We slide all the way down to, I think this will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. We slide down all the way down to 10th fret of the D string. Let that ring vibrato. So let's play from the beginning very slowly. This one is super easy. Play it on electric guitar will sound more better. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palm muting at it. Gap. What thing happened is after that you play, you see the song gradually comes to an end. But what happens is you just play the second part and repeat the whole same thing. Look at from the beginning. Palm muting, and it just goes on and on for the outro, and in that way it actually gradually fades out of the song. And that's almost everything you need for this lesson. So if this helps you out, I'm sure this helps you out. So make sure you just scroll down a bit and just hit that bell icon and subscribe. Make sure to like this video and drop me a comment down below any other song that you want on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.